Hello Virgos, welcome to my channel Dream Tarot. Hope you are doing good. This is your new month reading November 2021 and this will be Celtic card spreads. As you are seeing that I have already shuffled card and spread them out as you are seeing that, and because I have done reading before with this spread. So be with me till the end because I will include Romance Angel Oracle message here, and this will be general reading. If it may resonate you may not, please take those messages what resonates you and let me know in the comments how much it resonating you. And this will be and if you are new to my channel, please subscribe it. So let's start your reading without any further delays, Virgo. So here, the Devil and Eight of Cups. I'm seeing that you are very much obsessed with someone and you are emotionally drained because of this obsession, because of this toxicity. Or maybe you are very much in a toxic relationship where nothing is happening, but you are indulging in this relationship. You are not still in this connection, but this connection is not giving you emotionally. So you are emotionally drained. Something toxic, something unhealthy is going on in your relationship. So maybe this unhealthy situation is because of this fight, Five of Swords. You are having the that kind of fight where you both don't want to you both don't want to be a loser. You both want to win the situation, and whether how much this affecting your relationship, how much this affecting your uh, love life. So it's you want to win this situation at any cost. So what will be the theme of this month of November? Theme is that you are confused here. Seven of Cups. You are very much confused. You want to resolve a situation, but you don't know how. You are very much confusing state. Or maybe if this person is not in your life but you are still attached to this person, and this is becoming an obsession for you and making you emotionally drained. So maybe there are many people um, around you who is offering their cup to you, but you are confused to whom you have to choose, or you are confused that should you choose those cups, should you choose those persons in your life or not. So this is the challenge for you this time, or maybe this is a theme for you that you're confused. Or maybe people around you, a lot of option is coming towards you. This can be a theme, but you're confused about this connection. You are having a lot of confusion in your mind about this connection. You want a new start. There is a Ace of Pentacle card. You want a new start in this connection, but you are not able to give a new start in this connection. uh, this new start you want is stable and long term, but this is not happening in this connection. So this is the challenge for you this time. You're confused, or maybe or it's like that other people are coming towards you for love connection, and they want you a stable new start or long term stable long term new start, but you are not accepting it because you are confused. You are still attached to that person. So new start is coming towards you, but you are not accepting it. That can be a challenge for you, or you want to new start with this person, but it's not happening. That can be a challenge for you. So you are making yourself a workaholic. You are trying to make yourself a um, you are trying to indulge yourself in a work situation. Lot you are doing a lot of work, or maybe you have started something for your own. So you are making yourself busy in this work situation. um, that's why this lot of work situation, lot of work responsibility can be obsession also. This can be an unhealthy situation for you, that you are emotionally detached from your personal life, your emotional life. It can be a situation. That's why your relationship is toxic here, because of your lot of work habit, your workaholic habit. Or maybe you have indulged yourself in a work. For some of you this can be a situation if you are happy in your relationship. For some of you, and if it's not a breakup situation, for some of you, so it can be a situation where you are indulging yourself a lot in a lot of work, so that you are emotionally drained and emotionally detached from your love life. This can be a challenge for you. Your love life is confusing, but you are trying to make yourself stable. This can be a challenge. So emotional life and work life can there is a emotional and uh, work life clash in your life for some of you. Or it can be a situation that you want to forget that person, and you're trying to indulge yourself in a work. This can be obsession, this can be a toxicity for you. So here I'm seeing that you want to grow yourself, you want to nurture yourself, you want new start. Or maybe you are making yourself that much attractive, that much uh, luxurious, that people are attracting toward you, or you want to attract that person with whom you are emotionally attached. That's why you are making yourself very much rich, or very much attractive. Maybe you are making yourself perfect. Now your person is ready to communicate here. Your person energy is here, that if you want stability in this connection, your person is also giving you the stability, ready to give you stability. Maybe this person wants to communicate you, or maybe this person wants to come toward you by traveling. So you both are ready, now. Your person also want to make things forward in this connection, and you also want this connection like an empress. So you both are ready, but you both are not talking. So you are ready to talk. Talking is on your mind, and your person also wants to talk and to resolve this situation. But universe is advising you to be playful. Maybe this playful situation, the sun situation, you universe is asking you to make yourself bright and shine. Whatever you are doing here, you are making yourself empress like person. You are making yourself bright and shine. You are trying to make yourself playful, happy, and funable. So this can be helping you to bring the person of your desire in your life, whether it's a past person or whether it's a new person. So you have to make yourself for those who want a person in your life, this person having a lot of people around them. This can be a competition for you, that you have to make yourself brighter and shiner, and you have to make a empress like a person, so that this person can consider you for their partner. So this can be a challenge for you. This can be a um, situation for you. You have to face those competitors. Or if it's a existing relationship situation, in the past you are having fight with your family member, other people also involved in this fight. So you have to face these people also. You have to resolve this situation also first, then you can have the stability of this connection in you can have the stability of this connection. Or maybe if you want to if you are if you want to move with your person in your new house, this can be a change in location. Or it's like that you want to travel for work in some other location. So if there other people are involving here, so you have to make yourself that much strong that you can resolve this matter also. And you can tell those people who are trying to interfere in your relationship that you people should away from my relationship, so that I can have this new start with my person, so that I can have this stable start with my person. Or it can be you want to move forward, move away from those people with your person, and it's like that you have to resolve this challenge, or you need to push back those people who's trying to interfere in your relationship. So let's see. You can have the stable new start with your person, but you have to you have to face these people also. So you have to do something for this. So here, romance angel oracle messages. Let's see what our romance angel oracle messages are for you. Here, new love. New person has started your romantic feeling. So here I'm seeing that if it's a romantic person, whether it's past person, whether it's new person, you want new start in your love life. New love. You want new love in your existing relationship. Or trust. You have to trust. This situation is calling for you to have faith. So universe is telling you have faith. You both want to trust to each other, and universe is advising you to playfulness, the to recapture romance. Allow your inner youthful spirit of fun to shine. As I say that this is your advice, that you have to fun and shine, make yourself fun and shine and brighter, so that the your relationship issue can be resolved. So you have to show your playfulness and fun side to your person. Maybe this person is not coming towards you because of your rude behavior. So you have to make yourself fun and playful. Make the effort. A great hello is worth taking the step you are guided to. Effort. You have to make effort. You have to. If you are having challenge from other people are trying to involve in this connection also, so you have to make effort to push them back away, to have your stability. Or maybe this is a struggle. This is your struggle. You are making effort. This is your effort. You have to put effort to have this person back in your life. If you do effort, then you will have the stable connection with your person. Your person will be back to you. So Virgos, that is your reading for the month of November. If it resonates you, please let me confirm in a comment below, like my video, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.